So, if you know, clears are kind of making a comeback right now. I feel like that was a thing that everyone did back then, and now it's, you know, coming back like all the fashion stuff. So right now, what we're going to be doing is going over how to change or how to make these clears with the red circles, how you can make them full clears for half of the price of what they're selling the full real clears for, or real clears. So yeah, we're gonna go over that now. Hey, yo, hey, 20 years old, hey, 20 mil old, and I need 30 for sure. Oh, I had to let you know, I'm on that old, and young Pablo with me, oh, and we ain't no drove on that gelato.
Ice, ice, got the big price. I'm selling vanilla ice, all white. Can't be my bitch unless you a dyke. All the money on you, nigga, it must be nice. I'm pouring a four that ASAP, yeah. I call up my nigga Cardi when I land. Roll up a fat back with 3 grams. 4 rings, got an Audi on my hand. But that bitch down at the west and ran. Playboy, 2 bad bitches from Instagram. Serving, give it 1 minute, man. Gun in my hand, I can't fuck up my pants. Diamond Dale, niggas see how they dance. Real nigga, I'm just saying. Walk the door, we got the dope in the pan. Fly nigga like I'm Peter Pan.
I just need a check, I just caught a check. I got this on hit, I got many bitches on my neck. I got this on hit, but you better watch your mouth, better hold your lip. Oh shit, that's some real shit. Hey, yo, hey, 20 years old, hey, 20 mil old, and I need 30 for sure. Oh, I had to let you know, I'm on that old, and young Pablo with me, oh, and we ain't no drove on that gelato.
I woke up, these niggas acting like me. They tryna be, but these niggas nothing like me. Pop me a bar and I fucked up that Louis V. Fuck your little bitch, I forgot she remember me. We drink that lean and that shots of that Hennessy. Glock 40, 30 shots for my enemy. I ain't up 20 mil yet, but I'm finna be. Rich nigga in the hood, street nigga feeling me. Got these bitches digging me. She hold my dick for me, YP. Fresh as a bitch, they like, who is he? Rockin' Chanel with the double C. Yo, bitch really ain't my cup of tea. One-on-one nigga custom me. They wanna know what the recipe. Go to my neck like a treasury.
I just need a check, I just caught a check. I got this on hit, I got many bitches on my neck. I got this on hit, but you better watch your mouth, better hold your lip. Oh shit, that's some real shit. Hey, yo, hey, 20 years old, hey, 20 mil old, and I need 30 for sure. Oh, I had to let you know, I'm on that old, and young Pablo with me, oh, and we ain't no drove on that gelato.
What's up, guys? Devin the Dude here. I'm gonna be meeting up with Marky Mark tonight. We're gonna go pick up some parts for my boy Kikoa. Not gonna say what it is. Hopefully we get to check out his cars tonight. We'll see how it goes. Check back in a few. And we're back, guys. As you can see, we got some fucking Ganadors. Power, authentic, expensive as fuck. None of this Aero 23 bullshit. Just kidding, just kidding. Going to California.
I can't be fooling, he dead. I put no rest in the head. I can be feeling he dead. I can be feeling he dead.
Who's are these for?
I put no rest in the head. I can be feeling he dead. I can be feeling he dead. I put no rest in the head. I can be feeling he dead. I can be feeling he dead. I put the rest in the head.
We are almost to Apple Valley Speedway. We're rocking the unreleased shirt with the Team Rida jacket, corduroy official logo hat. So we're gonna be meeting up with Lico, Elijah, Jan, and Tommy, and also with Jesh. We're gonna be at the track in like 10 minutes or less. So we'll see when we get there. Honestly, I have no idea where I am right now. I'm just following the GPS. I've never been to ABS, so yes, but this is an actual road. There's a flip car right there. Sure. Oh, land for sale. If you like the land, let Emily Lynn know. Oh, I didn't know he was gonna go off-roading today, bruh. Oh, look at this. Yes, I'm gonna throw up a clip right now of a time me and Roland went. Yes, went off-roading. It's pretty nuts. The car hopped up in the air. Nicknamed Bisu Jumbo. He's going straight. Throw that up right now. As soon as you guys can see, we made it. Here. Still gotta go on this road, but I don't know why the GPS took me that way. It'd have been way faster if I was on this kind of road.
Made in China.
I'm with the squad. 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 Yo, all of my niggas are loyal. All of my niggas are gold. All of my niggas are loyal. All of my niggas are gold. You walking around with a toilet. And my little partner, she shoot. Spending my money, you go. All of my niggas are gold. All of my niggas are low. I just run up with my beat. I fell in love with my road. I got the power, bitch. Pass me the blunt on head. I whip it, I get it. And then the fool in the kitchen. Count it up, get it. Call on my plug again. Count it up. Uber bag, I ain't in it. Count it up. Go get your bands up. Knock it out, get your hands up. Been on the block with a hand up. I got the roll. I got the roll. Be on your bitch. I'm with the squad. I'm with the squad. I'm with the squad. Yeah, I'm with the squad. 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 I got the roll. Yeah, I got the roll. I'm with the squad. I got the roll. I got the roll. I'm with the squad. Yeah, I let her do me. Fuck up at 5 in the morning. Yeah, I got rich. Came up off these shows. Playboy cut. Only be long thug that I know. Yeah, the dialogue. No, I gotta keep my fire on. Fire on, fire on, fire on. Then my whip I'm flying. Bad girl on my left. Bad bitch on my right arm. Damn your heels, they so high. Yeah, get your high on. Yeah, smoke that gal I shag. Told that gal I ride on. Dip in that gold. Yeah, stick to the cold. Yeah, I got that roll. Yeah, I got that roll. I got the roll. I got the roll. Pay on your beat. I with the squad. I with the squad. I with the squad. Yeah, I with the squad. 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 I'm with the squad. Yeah. All of my niggas are loyal. All of my niggas are gold. Yeah. All of my niggas are loyal. All of my niggas are gold. Yeah. All of my niggas are loyal. All of my niggas are gold. I got the roll. Yeah, I got the roll. I'm with the squad. I got the roll. I got the roll. I'm with the squad. Yeah, I let her do me. Fuck up at 5 in the morning. Yeah, I got rich. Came up off these shows. Playboy cut. The only V long thug that I know. Yeah. Playboy cut. The only V long thug that I know. Playboy cut. The only V long thug that I know. Yeah. Playboy cut. The only V long thug that I know.